what we encounter as truck drivers in bad weather. Here's a pickup truck next to my trailer with no headlights on. Versus a sedan with headlights on. Such a smart driver to not stick around that area for too long. Also, there is another sedan further away from my trailer with its headlights on. Here's that pickup again next to my trailer. Oh, you don't see it. Let me circle it for you. Just a little POV, showing how your headlights can save you. Or, you can take a chance on life. It's totally up to you. Respectfully.